Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issues and server errors. This is actually part 2 already. So search on my YouTube channel, you'll find actually another video. Now I'm going to show you now only a couple other methods that I have for you. So the first method is make sure you turn off your VPN, and if you don't have your VPN on and you don't have pretty much any VPN on your computer, then it doesn't even matter. I'll move to the next step, which is we have to go here to Windows and then go to device security, and here make sure in core isolation you can turn this memory integration on and off. Sometimes can interfere with the game and cause internet issues. And if you don't want to turn this off because it's good for security, actually you can turn this off when you're playing the game, and if you don't see any changes, you can turn it on. And if that didn't work, you still have problems, as a reminder, just make sure you complete all the steps in this video, this tutorial, and please restart your computer to ensure the changes will take effect. And now I don't know which method will work, so make sure you try all of them. And now let's also go to power options, edit power option, click on change advanced power options, and here go to processors and go to here's set to 100%. And now if you are on laptop, I recommend you to leave this on 5%, but if you're on a computer, make sure here you set a 100% and 100%, because either way, or because if you are on your laptop and if you don't have it, your laptop is not plugged, and then you actually leave a lot of performance, and playing without your computer being plugged, then I don't think is even worth it to set this 100%. And yeah, I only set this, make sure it's set to 100%. And now let's go to virtual memory. Here write performance, adjust the appearance, and make sure you click on adjust best performance, and then custom, and then here only show timeless instead of icons, and smooth edges of screen fonts. Click on apply and OK, then go to advanced and change. And here make sure here you do this calculation 1024 multiply by the amount of RAM you have. For me, I have 60. And if you don't know how much RAM you have, click on Task Manager, and here Performance, and here is C60 is I have 60, right? As you can see here, 50, 60, yeah. If you have 8, you can multiply by 8, and the result, you write here the results. Now that's something I didn't do. I just wrote here this number because I wrote this number because I will here in the memory. Now it's not really, you don't really have to write this, but I think that's the right way, let's put it that way. And if you go to storage and then show more categories, where is it? And now here in system reserved virtual memory, I wrote this number for 31 gigabytes virtual memory. That's kind of the reason. You can also write more, so you can give your computer a virtual memory, but yeah, now click on set, OK, apply, and OK. Alright, and then what you have to do is also to go to graphics settings, and here make sure you change default graphics settings. Make sure here you enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, and also set the game. Okay, make sure you set the game to high performance. If you can't find the game in this list, you have to add from browse. Just go exactly where you downloaded the game, where the game is located, and add in this list, and then click on options, and here make sure it's high performance. And also, if you have a lot of updates here listed waiting for you to download, make sure you install all the updates, because if you have a lot of updates on the list, then it's just gonna make your computer, just gonna take your internet power. If you go here to view, where is it, power performance, I think in here is source monitor. Here if you go to network, if you have a lot of processors taking from your or eating your network activity, like this, I have browse, I have system, then the game is gonna run into a lot of problems, and you're gonna have a lot of network connection issues, server issues. Now obviously there's some bugs maybe in the game. This could be the reason as well, but I really hope now you can play the game without any issues, and you can enjoy the game. Leave your results in the comment section, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.